Have you ever found yourself questioning your financial success, even when the numbers seem to suggest you're on the right track? It's a common feeling. No matter how much you earn or save, it never quite feels like enough. There's always someone your age who appears to be miles ahead, flaunting a lifestyle that seems just out of reach. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others, but what if you're actually doing better than you realize? It would make you happier, right? Of course it would, and it will boost your confidence so you can do even better financially. That's a great reason to learn about the signs that show you're doing well financially, isn't it? Taking an honest look at your financial situation is crucial. It's time to shift your focus from how you stack up against others to how you measure up against essential financial health indicators. This perspective can not only alleviate your anxieties, but also illuminate the progress you've made. By examining some key financial metrics, you can gain a clearer understanding of your economic well-being and perhaps discover that you're more financially stable than you thought. So, let's dive into these metrics and see how they can provide you with a better grasp of your financial progress. From savings and investments to debt management and spending habits, each aspect offers a clue to your financial health. By the end of this exploration, you might just find that you're secretly thriving. This will make it even easier to get rich. How, you ask? Well, you will feel better about your money situation, and that will free your thinking to help you find ways to build even more wealth. So listen closely, because this will help level up your money game. The reason I started this channel was to help people with personal finance and getting rich on a larger scale. If you are interested in getting rich, please subscribe. I will continue to bring you valuable information every week. I really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get to business now. The first sign you're doing well financially is that you can pay your bills on time. It might not catapult you into the top 1%, but if you can consistently cover your rent, utilities, and groceries, you're already ahead of the curve. Imagine the relief of knowing that each month you can meet your financial obligations without juggling due dates or prioritizing one bill over another. In a world where many struggle with financial discipline or simply don't earn enough to cover their expenses, the ability to pay all your bills on time is a significant achievement. Many face the harsh reality of having to choose which bills to pay, leading to late fees, mounting interest, and hits to their credit score. The consequences of missing payments can be severe, risking eviction, repossession of vehicles, and other financial setbacks. Consider this: if you can pay your bills on time, you're not just avoiding these pitfalls, you're also laying a solid foundation for financial stability and peace of mind. It's a clear indicator that you're managing your money effectively, and it's something to be proud of. So, take a moment to appreciate this accomplishment. Being able to cover your essential expenses consistently is a strong sign that you're doing better financially than you might think. Another crucial indicator of financial well-being is your ability to control your spending. Success isn't about being the wealthiest person in your circle. It's about managing your finances wisely. If you can keep your spending in check, you're doing better than many. This skill is the cornerstone of financial health, allowing you to build a stable future. Impulse buys and unnecessary expenses can derail financial progress quickly. Picture this: purchasing a brand new car without much thought or indulging in multiple smaller splurges can set you back years financially. The temptation is everywhere. Easy access to credit and targeted advertisements are designed to get you to part with your money. However, if you can resist these urges and maintain control over your spending, it's a sign that you're on the right path. Practicing spending discipline is no small feat, and it shows that you're serious about your financial health. It's a clear indication that you're not just surviving, but actively making smart choices that will benefit you in the long run. So, take pride in your ability to control your spending. This discipline is a powerful tool in your financial toolkit, helping you avoid debt and build savings. By keeping your spending in check, you're laying the groundwork for a secure and prosperous future. Investing in appreciating assets is a major milestone in your financial journey and something to be genuinely proud of. While it's ideal for everyone to invest what they can, the truth is, a large percentage of people don't invest at all. By putting money into a 401k, IRA, real estate or other investments, you're securing your financial future, even if it's not as much as you'd like. Owning a home is another significant investment that can set you up for long-term success. It might feel like you're falling behind if you don't have a multi-million-dollar portfolio enabling you to retire in your 30s, but that's far from the norm. The reality is that the majority of people don't achieve such rapid financial success. The key is consistency and commitment. Even slow and steady progress in your investment portfolio is a significant achievement. Each contribution, no matter how small, is a step towards a more secure and prosperous future. By investing regularly, you're taking proactive steps to grow your wealth and build a stable financial foundation. So celebrate your investment efforts. They reflect your foresight and dedication to improving your financial health. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. By continuously investing in your future, you're ensuring that you're on the right path, setting yourself up for long-term financial stability and success. Another vital sign of financial well-being is having the right insurance coverage. Being financially secure isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's also about protecting yourself against potential losses. Proper insurance coverage acts as a safety net, ensuring that if something unexpected happens, you're not left to bear the full brunt of the financial fallout. The type and amount of insurance you need can vary, but the goal is to be shielded from catastrophic losses. For instance, homeowners insurance is essential if you own a home, providing protection against damage or loss. Similarly, full coverage car insurance is crucial if you have a valuable vehicle, guarding against accidents and theft. Health insurance is another critical component, protecting you from life-altering medical bills that could otherwise wipe out your savings. And if you have a family dependent on your income, life insurance is indispensable, ensuring their financial stability in your absence. Having the right insurance coverage means you're prepared for unforeseen events without incurring disastrous expenses. It shows that you're thinking ahead and prioritizing not just your current financial status, but also your future stability. This kind of preparedness is a strong indicator that you're doing well financially, even if it doesn't always feel like it. So if you're insured, take pride in that fact. It's a clear sign of financial responsibility and foresight. By safeguarding against potential losses, you're ensuring that unexpected events won't derail your financial progress. This protective measure is a key component of a robust financial strategy, contributing significantly to your overall financial health and peace of mind. One of the clearest signs that you're doing well financially is a peaceful night's sleep, undisturbed by money worries. While everyone experiences some degree of financial anxiety, if money-related stress isn't keeping you awake at night, you're in a better position than you might think. Even the ultra-wealthy have their financial fears, but the key difference for financially stable individuals is that these worries don't dominate their thoughts. Financially secure people manage to minimize their money fears because they have control over their financial situation. They approach their finances with a calm and confident mindset, knowing they can pay their bills, invest in their future, and protect themselves against significant losses. They don't lie awake at night, fretting about meeting their mortgage payments or handling unexpected expenses. This peace of mind comes from making smart financial decisions. As you continue to manage your money wisely, your anxiety diminishes. Your confidence grows as you realize you're capable of handling whatever comes your way. It's not about having unlimited wealth, but about having a solid plan and the discipline to stick to it. So, if you find that financial worries aren't haunting you every night, take it as a strong indicator of your financial health. This tranquility shows that you're on the right track, making decisions that ensure your stability and future prosperity. The less you worry about money, the more it reflects your effective financial management and overall well-being. Another significant sign that you're doing well financially is having money set aside in savings. Even a modest amount in a savings account, earmarked for a rainy day, shows that you're on the right track. This financial cushion provides peace of mind, knowing you have a buffer to handle unexpected expenses, which are bound to crop up at some point. Having savings is a critical step toward financial security and wealth building. While you might not yet have reached your ideal savings goal, even a small amount, like $1,000 or $2, is an important achievement. It indicates that you're making prudent financial decisions and setting the foundation for future stability. Ideally, having almost half of a year's expenses saved up is a great target. But building up a substantial savings account takes time. It's normal for this process to span several years, so don't be discouraged if your savings are still growing. Each dollar saved is a step closer to financial independence and security. So, if you have money in savings, smile about this accomplishment. It signifies that you're thinking ahead and preparing for life's uncertainties. This proactive approach to managing your finances is a strong indicator of financial health. By continuing to save and build your financial cushion, you're ensuring a more secure and worry-free future. Another powerful indicator that you're doing well financially is seeing your net worth grow over time. Many people never experience this. In fact, some see their net worth decline due to excessive borrowing. Student loans and credit card debts are common culprits that can drag a person's net worth into the negative. Watching your net worth increase, even gradually, is a major accomplishment. It signifies that you're not just managing your finances effectively, but also making progress toward long-term wealth. Your net worth doesn't need to double every year or even rise every single year. As you accumulate assets, fluctuations in their value can cause temporary dips. However, a steady upward trend over most periods indicates that you're on the right track. This growth can come from a mix of earning more, saving diligently, and watching your investments appreciate. It's a sign that your financial strategies are paying off and that you're building a solid foundation for the future. Each incremental increase in your net worth is a step closer to financial independence and security. So if you notice your net worth steadily rising, celebrate this achievement. It's a clear sign that you're managing your money wisely and making consistent progress. By focusing on growing your net worth, you're ensuring a more prosperous and secure future, demonstrating financial health and resilience. Another key sign that you're doing well financially is having your debt under control. While carrying debt can feel discouraging due to the long payoff periods and accumulating interest, keeping your debt manageable and steadily working towards paying it off is a significant achievement. It might seem like everyone around you, from friends and family to social media influencers, is effortlessly buying expensive education, new cars, large homes, extravagant gifts, and frequent vacations. However, appearances can be deceiving. Many of these people likely have debt, and if they're spending frivolously, there's a good chance their debt levels are high. Some individuals might make large purchases with zero debt, but that's not always the reality. Making progress towards reducing your debt, no matter how slowly, is something to celebrate. It shows that you are taking responsibility for your financial health and working towards a more stable future. By managing your debt wisely and paying it down bit by bit, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and financial freedom. So, if you have manageable debt and are actively working to reduce it, be proud of yourself. It's a clear indicator that you're on the right path, making smart financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Focus on your journey and the steps you're taking towards being debt-free, rather than comparing yourself to others. Each payment you make is a step towards a brighter financial future. Having a steady source of income is a fundamental sign that you're on solid ground financially. You don't need to be earning a six-figure salary to be considered financially secure. Simply having a reliable paycheck coming in regularly is something to be grateful for and indicates that you're managing your financial life well. It's natural to aspire to earn more, and many people wish they were making a higher income. However, not earning as much as you'd like right now shouldn't overshadow the fact that having a steady income is a significant achievement in itself. You can always take steps to increase your earning potential, whether by seeking better job opportunities, enhancing your skills, or exploring additional income streams. Your income is your primary tool for building wealth. It enables you to tackle other financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for major purchases, and ultimately achieving financial independence. While it's easy to compare yourself to others who may seem more financially successful, remember that everyone's journey is different. In the pursuit of wealth, it's crucial to acknowledge and celebrate even the smallest financial victories. These incremental achievements lay the groundwork for greater success and provide motivation along the way. By focusing on your own financial journey and setting realistic goals, you can navigate the path to wealth with confidence and determination. Since you clicked on this video and have watched until now, I bet you are looking for ways to build more wealth and become rich. Well, you are in luck with the next video, how to build wealth from nothing. Just click on this one right now to learn how, and let's build big money.